For generations, people have trusted Fimco to help take care of the places that matter. From lawns and acreages to farms, food plots, fields, and fence lines. When there's work to be done, Fimco is built to be there. Since 1966, Fimco has engineered, manufactured, and assembled sprayers and lawn and garden equipment right here in the heartland. That heritage matters because every tank, pump, boom, wand, fitting, and frame has a job to do. And every customer who chooses Fimco is counting on that equipment to perform when it matters most. Today, Fimco offers one of the most complete sprayer lineups in the industry, from compact handheld and spot sprayers to ATV, UTV, trailer, three-point, skid, and commercial-grade solutions. But choosing Fimco means more than choosing a product. It means choosing parts support, product knowledge, real customer service, and a team that stands behind the equipment long after the sale. Whether you're maintaining your yard, managing acreage, spraying a food plot, caring for a pasture, or getting ready for a full day in the field, Fimco gives you the tools to do the job right. Built with experience, built for reliability, built for real work. Fimco, the best built sprayers in America.